Anong latest sa mundo ng showbiz? Sa panayam ni Tony Gonzaga sa kaniyang leading man sa sassy girl na si Pepe Herrera, natanong ng actress TV host kung bakit siya nawala ng panandalian sa showbiz at ng ibang bansa. Ang sagot ng aktor, simple lang, burnout. I guess isa sa mga trigger ko is losing control. If you abuse your physical body, next is your brain. Panoorin natin mga Mars ang kaniyang buong pahayag.
Umalis ka kasi?
Simply put, burnout. Umabot ako sa punto na I didn't know that time na it was a manic disorder already, na I felt invincible that I can do everything. Nagpapatawa one moment, mag-i-snap at magagalit one moment, and
mabilis ka pumitik?
Yes, sobra. Tapos to the point na natatakot na yung ibang mahal ko sa buhay. Rage na siya, hindi na siya anger. Screaming at the top of my lungs, parang bulkan. Yeah, tapos minsan nagsisira ng gamit. Sasapakin ko yung pader o yung sasakyan ko. There was an incident na yung former handler ko. In a span of a few minutes, pinapatawa ko siya. Nagkaroon ng trigger dito sa may EDSA. Nahuli kami na enforcer. And she was trying to save the situation. Kasi handler eh. Tapos nag-snap ako dahil lang I wanted to be in control. I guess isa sa mga trigger ko yung losing control. Which happened din. So nagalit ako sa kanya, sumigaw ako, until sa umiiyak na pala siya. She was trembling. I guess that's one of my wake-up calls na, of course you don't want to do that to your loved ones, diba? Tapos, yun, na-witness din nila Coco ng probinsyano. They were wondering, ano nangyari kay Pepe? Tapos, naging erratic na din ako. Minsan, hindi ako pupunta kaagad sa set. I will decide to go to the hospital. Kasi I was sensing na something is going on. So, sabi ng isang doktor na pinaka nagustuhan ko, if you abuse your physical body, next talaga utak mo. Because your brain is part of your body. So, mental and physical, they go hand in hand. Doon ko nasimulang, okay, I've been abusing my body at hindi ko siya sineseryoso for quite some time now.
If you abuse your physical body, next is your brain. Ating alamin ang mga pahayag ng mga netizens kaugnay sa interview na ito ni Pepe. Pepe Herrera is one of the Filipino actors na may hugot at lalim on portraying roles. From Rock of Ages, Ang Probinsyano to Hopeful Romantic and Ikaw. He's so good in his craft. Kudos to Tony for this conversation. This is one of the best interviews I've watched for a long time. Karamihan sa comedian ang lalim nila. Full of wisdom sila at sila din ang may strong experience. Love this episode. Say naman ng isang netizens. Ganda magsalita ni Pepe, nakaka-inspire. Praying for your continuous healing. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong video, mag-like and comment lang. We are open for suggestions para sa susunod na topic on our next video.